Hi everyone, happy new year in advance. Yeah, welcome back to Gleaner Artistic. So today is an exciting and amazing day. Yes, because today we are announcing the winners for our 31 days Vlogmas challenge. Yes, if you're not aware, I posted a video to announce the 31 days Vlogmas challenge, whereby I encourage my students and my subscribers to participate in this Vlogmas challenge. Yes, the funny part about this challenge is that the winners were to win my 2025 latest release on Paint Production. Yes, this release, none of my students has this particular formulation that contains both chemical production for paint manufacturing process and of course latest advanced technique paint manufacturing production. And I was surprised because I noticed that most of my students did not participate in this 31 days Vlogmas challenge, and it got me kind of asking myself, did they really put on the YouTube notification bell on? Because if they did so, they would have benefited from this 31 days Vlogmas challenge, where I instructed each participant to come on board. When you watch the video that I'm going to be uploading each day, they were supposed to come down to the comment section and comment Paint Production 31 lucky winners. Yes, that is all it takes for you to be among the winners for this 31 days Vlogmas challenge. And we could not continue the Vlogmas challenge for 31 days because this is a festive period, and of course we know most of us will be with our family and loved ones, and of course we'll either be relaxing or we'll be studying, you understand. So that was why I had to stop the Vlogmas challenge, you understand. And if you look closely on the video that is displaying, you will see that I took my time. Starting from day one video, I went to the comment section because I know of course I know my students will come to my DM and start saying, Coach Gleaner, I'm not aware. What happened? How come I missed this offer? Yes, because this same time last year, we had a Gleaner empowerment training where over 100 to, I think, 100, well, I think close to 200 students were able to benefit a free ebook that contains 5 types of paint production process. And they all got the ebook. You understand? They all got the ebook last year. So this year, I came out, you understand, to still dedicate my time to let my student and my subscriber get this 2025 version of my paint production process for free. Yes, I was ready to give it out to the winners for free to support your paint production business. And even if you're not into paint manufacturing, of course, I was ready to teach you from scratch to the professional state. You understand? So when I said I was going to announce the winner, I know a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my students, because I already have fan-based students, they were surprised. And I know they're still going to be surprised. Yes, they're still going to be surprised because they'll be wondering, how come they were not aware? I did not announce this to in my student support group. I didn't tell them. I didn't even also announce it on the student portal group for them to be enlightened more, because I know that of course they're going to receive something more durable and tangible that they've never received. You understand? So that is why I kept everyone in suspense. I only gave an instruction because I know that the winners are going to benefit something lucrative. You understand? So that is why I took my time. And I used to say this. I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell in case any video goes live, so you can be able to benefit either if we have any free offer, or we have a discount prices for our course, or rather if we have something amazing just like this 31 days vlogmas. This was incredible. In fact, I don't even know what to say. Like I pity I pity my students that did not participate in this 31 days vlogmas challenge. It was so simple, very simple. The only thing you needed to do whenever you receive the notification bell that this video has been uploaded, you just come watch the video. After watching the video, of course you can ask your questions. If you have any questions to answer, then you can still come down and comment Paint Production 31 days lucky winner. That was the only instruction I gave out, and I just wanted to see that, and that's what give you the automatical qualification, of course, to win this advanced formulation, something that you've never received before. And if you don't know, I've already reached out to the 2 winners. Yes, I'm amazed and surprised. Do you know why? Because these 2 winners are actually my 2 students. One is from Nigeria, Francis. The other one is a lady. She's in Kenya, Diane. And I'm so super happy. You understand? I'm so super happy because it was so easy for me reaching out to them, because they are my students already. And I have close to how many students? Over in my different student platform group, I have close to 1,000 students in each group. I reached out to them. I uploaded the video for them to be able to know that this is what Coach Gleaner is about to give to them. And to my greatest surprise, even the previous students that had the Gleaner empowerment training last year, that got the free ebook on how to produce 5 different types of paint, this was their opportunity for them to advance more. And I was wondering if they are even still following this YouTube channel, if they are still, the notification bell is turned on. You can see, if you check closely, you see that I took my time from the first video to the second video to the third video, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 12 to 11 day to 19 to 20. Wow, man, go. My 2 winners are amazing. Amazing. They automatically get qualified to my latest release in Paint Production. This is amazing. I'm so happy for you, Francis and Diane. And of course, I wish you all the best. And they also send me an amazing video. Yes, they send me an amazing video for you all to hear from the horse's mouth. So let's listen to what they have to say. Oh, I'm super exciting. Like, seriously, I'm super exciting. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. So let's listen.
I'm Diana Chepkoech from Damcot Paints in Kenya, and a proud student of Gleaner Paint Production Institute. I'm thrilled to be a winner in the 31 Lucky Winners Challenge we had recently. I'm happy to be a member of this Gleaner family. I invite you all to join this family by registering on 10-day Paint Production Training course, and to subscribe to Gleaner Artistic YouTube channel. In joining this course, you will never regret. I invite you all to reach us out in Kenya for all your painting needs. We are here to serve you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Francis Ikeshuku. I am the CEO of Clarence Paints Nigeria Limited, based in Abuja here. I want to say a big thank you to Coach Gleaner, the best coach in Africa when it comes to paint production, for finding me worthy to be one of the winners of the Vlogmas Challenge on paint production. having followed her from day one to the last day. She has deemed me worthy to be one of the winners. I want to say a big thank you. Coach Gleaner is the best coach in Africa because I've learned so much from her, and I will recommend other students who are eager to go into paint production and who are eager to make money from paint production to key into her program because she is the best coach when it comes to production of paint in Africa. Thank you.